Everyone, so this is a requested video where everybody says that we are back from the vacations, whether it be mountains, whether it be a very adverse condition of cold. You guys are back and the skin is not doing good, skin is very dry. What all I'm using, that is something that I always suggest, use something which is already available at your home, which is the product in your kitchen, whether it be a masoor dal paste and the rice flour. If you probably, when you have rice and you just make it as a paste, mix both of them, which is rice flour and the masoor dal, everything mix, make a paste, add just milk, I think add just little bit of lime, and just apply it and the tanning will go off. Trust me, this is how the condition. I still have tanning on my this hand because obviously we went to cold. I will share few of the videos. I think 2 3 videos I've shared, but a lot of videos and photos are yet to be shared. I will share, but the tanning over here is not gone. Rest all I think is almost gone. Now I'm sharing why it is and what all you can do it. The first thing is I've already shared a simple mixture powder of probably 2:2 proportion of masoor dal and the normal rice. Just mix it, make a paste. Probably I'll make a separate video with the gulab jal, which is normal rose water, or the normal water. You can make a little bit of drops of lime, and I think that is all. If your face is very very dry and the skin is coming out, then I think you should be using glycerin, and that's it. Nothing else is required to make this particular paste. Apply a thick layer that will act as a scrub, and that will also act as a paste. So I will make a separate video. Probably I will link it down somewhere here or here. You can check that out. But today I think I had one facial kit at home. I think I've shared before going to a trip. This is Advanced Pro Facial Wine Facial. This is something that I think I got it from Flipkart collaboration. I have not used it. I love wine, so I'm probably hoping that this will do good to my outer skin as well. But coming back to how and what all ingredients are there, I think this is one time, and you have everything pretty much like this. All the pouches and everything is pretty much here like this. The steps are the same, which is cleanser, exfoliation, which is scrub, exfoliating gel, nourishing cream, and everything is in one sequence. Everything is there. Last serum is also there, so I'm just hoping this works on my skin. I'll give you a close look. My skin is completely dry. If you can see, this is completely dry. Hands are completely tan. Now many of you guys actually say that how many times do I need to use the paste of rice and that masoor dal to get rid of the tanning? You have to use it continuously for a week. Probably then only will be able to get rid of the tanning, because that's what my hands have worked on. But this area has not worked because that was in extreme conditions. So this blackness and everything needs to go off with the continuous use of that particular paste. Now that is something which is very easy at home. If that works, that's good. If you really want to use something fancy, then go for this, because I think now most of you guys love fancy products over the ghar ka nuska product. I really don't know what's wrong with you guys. Not very much interested, but again, this actually worked good for a lot of my subscribers. They have pinged me and I thought of reviewing this. This is from Nutri Glow Naturals. Very 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 old brand. I have been using, I think maybe my college days I was using it. So I will not be saying much. I will just show you how. Before using any facial product or anything, you have to clean your skin. I've completely cleaned my skin. I've used the Mamaearth natural face wash. It does wonder. The product is not with me, but I will tag you down in the description box. You can check that out. First I'm using cleanser, obviously. It is one time. Everything how to use and everything is at the back of the pouch. Very handy. So yes, I will give you a voice. We have to do it in the circular motion, and this just wash with the wash your face or just clean it with the wet wipes. Now please don't ask me which wet wipes do you use. You can use anything of your choice. Wet wipes change कर देते skin का glow, या फिर tanning नहीं निकलता है. That is something which is a very bad myth. So I'm just using it over my face. So I have just applied this. It's kind of a gel or a serum. You can see the glow. Many of you guys actually ask whether to use cleanser on your eye area. You can use it, but in a very gentle motion. um, I think that is pretty much. I just have one light to film the video, or else nothing. There is no other light, no other filters, by the way. It's just that your skin should feel that it is getting clean. That's it. You can wash off, you can wipe it. So I think everything is done. After cleansing, you get a lot of dirt to be removed. I can see that, especially your knuckles. They are the sensitive part of area. If it gets exposed too much of sun or these snow reflections and all, it do creates a problem. So yes, you can feel the difference after usage by usage. So the video will be very long, so please grab your snacks, coffee, whatever you can. And because I'm explaining in detail, many of you guys have a doubt. आप लोगों को डाउट रहता है कि ये जो स्मॉल फेशियल पैक्स होता है ये एक्चुअली वर्क करता है कि नहीं. करता है. अगर आप उसको सही तरीके से यूज़ करेंगे, एंड डोंट जस्ट डिपेंड ऑन दिस फेशियल किट्स टू वर्क ऑन यू, यू हैव टू ईट ड्रिंक हेल्दी, एंड एट द सेम टाइम ये भी करना पड़ेगा कि जो आप लोग प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करते हैं, चेक द ब्रांड वेदर उसके रिव्यू कैसे हैं, या फिर पहले आप वो ब्रांड यूज़ कर चुके हैं कि नहीं, आपको वो सूट करता है कि नहीं. सो देयर आर 10 नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स यू नीड टू एक्चुअली फिगर आउट बिफोर यूजिंग एनी प्रोडक्ट ऑन योर फेस. That is the only suggestion I can say. The next is the deep exfoliation. I think many of you guys have actually asked me कि exfoliation किस लिए होता है, what is the difference between exfoliation and the scrub. Now exfoliation is something, if there is any external what to say, dirt or anything, then that is something it exfoliates. I'm just using the water with ice cubes. That helps my blotting thing. Those who have thyroid conditions, like I have thyroid conditions, and hence my body has phenomena of bloating and all of that. So yes, for them I think ice is the best. तो आइस में यूजुअली नॉट ओनली ऑन फेशियल बट इन द अर्ली मॉर्निंग यू कैन यूज इट. मेनी ऑफ यू सेज कि फोरहेड में आप लोगों को टैनिंग है, कैन यू सी द टैनिंग. आई डू हैव अ टैनिंग ऑन माई फोरहेड. यहाँ का कलर अलग है, यहाँ का अलग है. दैट इज अगेन बिकॉज ऑफ सन एंड दी अदर फैक्टर्स. तो उसमें भी आपको केयरफुल रहना है. एक्सफोलिएशन इज डिफरेंट दैन स्क्रब. स्क्रबिंग इज जस्ट टू रिमूव द अनइवननेस ऑन योर फेस. Exfoliation is to deeply cleanse your face. And now this is the exfoliation pack and I will just show you how it looks like. The exfoliation looks like this, जिसमें थोड़ा scrub particles रहेगा, and it will help you to clean the dirt basically. Can you see the difference on the face and the hand? और बहुत लोग आप में से बोलते हैं कि फेस में मेकअप रहता है इसलिए वाइट दिखता है, हैंड्स में मेकअप नहीं रहता है तो इसलिए वो डार्क दिखता है. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. हैंड्स में व्हेन वी गो टू ऑफिस, व्हेन वी आर आउटसाइड, तो आई थिंक हैंड्स एक्सपोज रहते हैं. हाउएवर फेस ऑलवेज कवर्ड रहता है, इधर हेलमेट में, और वी कवर आर फेसेस. वहाँ पे टैनिंग थोड़ा कम होता है कंपैरेटिवली, एंड हेंस दिस डिफरेंस. इट इज़ नॉट ऑलवेज बिकॉज ऑफ मेकअप, बट अगेन it is because of the exposure. So there are two things basically. Same cheese exfoliation you have to do on your hands as well, because hands also needs exfoliation. So gently you have to massage every step 2-3 times, and then clearly wash it off with the ice water or the normal water. Now exfoliation is almost done. I can see good result on here, but not on here because ek haath se karna is a big challenge. So if you have any help at your home, then please do take help and get the thing done. That is one option. The second is we will go to the third step, which is hydrating gel. This is how it is. I think gel is something which is very easy. And then we have nourishing cream, tightening mask, and serum. So these are all the steps which is remaining. I'll make the video a little faster because it will take like ages. The gel, the hydrating gel, somewhere looks like this. It's again wine form. Very easy gel. I think you have to pat your face a little wet and then do it. So, now what this actual gel does is, I think this will even out your skin. It has all the ingredients mentioned at the back. For 4 to 5 minutes we need to really massage this, and then rinse off with the water. What it does is it will help you to sustain the glow on your face. That is something which the gel does. Very soft, and hence it's taking a lot of time. The gel massaging also removes a lot of unevenness on your skin and makes your skin actually look a little glower. Even you can see tanning around your mouth area, especially when you're back from the tanning zone. So yes, that will be there. কি বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে? I know, इसीलिए तो celebration था. I'm so sorry guys, we were just discussing something. So Pihu school is closed because आज संक्रांति का celebration tha, and I think 1 week is a chutti for her. Okay, whatever is remaining I will just apply same thing on the hand. With the gel thing, and I think there is a lot of difference I can see when in terms of tanning. The forehead tanning is little suppressed, but again can't say much of it. But yes, this is also like completely kind of managed, but because it needs a good amount of time, the tanning will not be subsided even just in one thing. Next we'll have a nourishing cream. Again, this is a creamy formula, so I think this facial has a lot of steps. So I think that is somewhere the skin will heal. Nourishing cream, what it does, blemish free fairer complexion. I never understand the fact that by using some product will become fair. No, it's just that the unessential or the dirt, pollutant, that will get removed. That's it. Helps skin glow. Yes, definitely. That's why the facial is called wine facial. It will let your skin glow. Now, nourishing cream, we have to actually generally massage. If you have somebody at your home, please take the help, because this is the main step of the entire facial. So yes, I think I will keep myself mute, and I'll just show you how you can do the massage. Come, you come. You want to come in the video?
No,
No, you don't want to come
I
in the
want
video.
to see. I want to see.
You want to see? Go and sit in the bed. You can see.
I want to stand.
Okay, Pihu.
पोटी डाइपर पड़ा नहीं पोटी डाइपर
So the cream, I think this one thing is you can use eyes. Now that will help specifically to make the process little easy. So yeah, please go ahead and follow. Okay, the one sign where the massage is done properly or not is your skin will I have wiped off the cream and everything. I think there is pretty visible difference. I can see on my at least skin tone. Hands, yes, a lot of difference. But again, having said that, you have to continuously use the Gharili Nuske products rather than using chemicals on your face and on your body. So yeah, that is something which is very very important. I'm so sorry, there will be background noise. Next is skin tightening mask, and lastly is the. So I think this is pretty much dry. It has to be this much dry. Now ये स्टेप ना बहुत लोग मैं स्टेप में देखती हूँ बहुत लोग गलत करते हैं. लिटरली रब करते हैं. टेक वन आइस, इस तरह से आइस क्यूब लीजिए एंड just try. It is advisable that you tie your hair, but I think I was in a little hurry for the video and I could not tie the hair. Remove everything and I think wash off. I'll come back. Please use wet tissue to remove everything because it might, make it very dry. So please use wet tissue. And I'm just doing it on live just to show you the difference and the method. बिकॉज आप में से बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि घर पर फेशियल करेंगे कैसा होगा. इट इज़ अ चैलेंज नो डाउट, बट अगर आप अच्छे से करते हैं देन आई डोंट थिंक सो कोई इशू होना चाहिए. बिकॉज मैनी अ टाइम वी डोंट गेट टाइम फॉर फेशियल. एंड अर्बन क्लैप में भी अगर आप और यस मैडम या कहीं पे भी अगर आप बुक करते हैं तो स्लॉट्स हमेशा अवेलेबल नहीं होते हैं. देन दैट इज़ अ टाइम दैट आई थिंक दिस किट्स आर वेरी वेरी हेल्पफुल. या फिर कभी ऐसा होता है कि ऑफिस में कुछ पार्टी है या फिर कोई फंक्शन में जाना है तो यू डोंट गेट टाइम. अगर हेयर कभी आप बहुत जल्दी में है, अगर हेयर खुला है, हाउ विल यू क्लीन इट? आई एम जस्ट गोना शो यू. फर्स्ट आप पूरा फेस क्लीन कर लीजिए अपना एंड टेक एनी अदर टॉवल. अच्छा, हाथ का मैं रिमूव करके आई विल शो यू द डिफरेंस. काफ़ी अच्छा खासा डिफरेंस है. इट इज़ नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ द मास्क बट ऑल्सो ये जो कंप्लीट प्रोसेस है इट इट सेल्फ टेक अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम. तो येस, देर इज़ अ प्रिटी मच विजिबल डिफरेंस. ऑब्वियसली अगर आप थोड़ा वाइप करेंगे तो इट विल शो यू द ड्रास्टिक डिफरेंस बिकॉज दोनों हाथ में क्लियरली डिफरेंस है, बिकॉज आई थिंक इस हाथ में ईजी है, दिस हाथ इज कंपेरेटिवली जो लोग लेफ्ट हैंडेड या राइट हैंडेड, डिपेंड्स जो भी आप डोमिनेटिंग हैंड है, आई थिंक अपोजिट हाथ में ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है कंपेयर टू दिस। देर इज़ अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस। मैं एक बार वाइप करके आपको दिखाती हूँ। ओके, मेनी ऑफ यू गाइज एक्चुअली सजेस्ट कि आप जो वीडियो पॉज करते ब्रेक करते हैं, इट कम्स विद द रिमोट, बट काफ़ी बार ऐसा हो जाता है कि जल्दी में वीडियो बनाना पड़ता है, एंड यू डोंट हैव टाइम टू टेक द स्विच, connect the Bluetooth. I'm very bad at it, and then do it. It becomes really really difficult. Okay, so that's it. This is how the difference is. अगर आप properly करेंगे तो this is how the difference is. This is before, this is after. बहुत difference है because this becomes very difficult. फिर भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा difference है. I will properly then clean it and I'll show you. ओके, देन लास्ट स्टेप जो बचता है वो है सीरम का। तो वो भी आप डेफिनेटली सीरम लगा के, यू डोंट हैव टू रिमूव द सीरम बिकॉज दैट इज़ फॉर योर ओन। सी द डिफरेंस, यहाँ पे मैंने ज़्यादा वर्क नहीं किया, आपको डिफरेंस किया है। The last step is the Royal Touch serum. There is no, I mean this is very 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 liquid serum like the normal serums which we have. और I think ये बहुत extra में भी रहेगा, तो you can pour it on whatever serums you apply. So इसमें स्मेल बहुत ही हल्का सा है, ज़्यादा कुछ फ्रेग्रेंस नहीं है, इट्स जस्ट नॉर्मल सीरम। आई थिंक इंस्ट्रक्शंस है, थोड़ा अच्छे से लगा के इसको बस रख देना है, एंड दैट्स इट। सीरम इज़ जस्ट फॉर द हाइड्रेशन, ऑब्वियसली हाथ में भी लगाना है, एंड या दैट्स इट फॉर द वीडियो। आई गेस गाइस दिस वाज लिटिल हेल्पफुल। जो लोग वेडिंग सीजन भी आ रहा है, जो लोग पूछते हैं कि घर पर कैसे हम लोग फेशियल या फिर कर सकते हैं, दैट इज़ वेरी मच ईजी। अगर आप थोड़े बेसिक स्टेप्स फॉलो करेंगे तो दैट बिकम्स ईजी, एंड आई विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब।